Little pets and friendly zoo animals find themselves trapped in a giant sandbox after a sudden collapse creates deep pits and shifting sand. Surrounded by towering big wildcats, the small animals must stay calm and work together to survive. The sandbox becomes a challenging landscape where every step matters, teaching the importance of courage, awareness, and quick thinking in a dangerous situation. As the tension grows, teamwork and kindness become the key to survival. Monkeys are highly intelligent and use tools, such as sticks to catch insects or rocks to crack nuts. Monkeys communicate with facial expressions, body language, and sounds. Some species even groom each other to strengthen friendships and remove bugs. Monkeys can recognize themselves in mirrors. Llamas are smart and can learn commands like walking on a lead or carrying a pack. Llamas are very clean animals, often using a common toilet spot in their herd area. Baby llamas are called crias. They can stand and walk within an hour after birth. Llamas are very social animals. Cats are born hunters with sharp claws, quick reflexes, and excellent night vision. Even well-fed pet cats still love to chase toys, bugs, or shadows. It's in their nature. Cats can see in light 6 times dimmer than humans can. Their eyes have a special layer called the tapetum lucidum. Buffalo are known for their immense strength and muscular build, making them one of the strongest land animals. Buffalo are very protective of each other. Others may charge to defend it. African buffalo have large, curved horns that can form a boss. Rhinos have been on Earth for over 50 million years. Some of their extinct ancestors were woolly and lived during the Ice Age, and one species. Rhino horn is illegally trafficked for use in traditional medicine, despite having no proven medicinal value, and for ornamental dagger handles. Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth. African elephants are the biggest, while Asian elephants have smaller ears and rounder heads. Elephants live in savannas, forests, deserts, and swamps across Africa and Asia. Elephants are very strong. They can carry loads over 600 pounds, 270 kilograms, with their trunks. Hippos spend about 16 hours a day submerged in water to keep their massive bodies cool under the hot African sun. Hippos secrete a reddish, oily substance from their skin. This blood sweat acts as a potent moisturizer, antiseptic, and sunblock. Hippos are so dense that they don't actually swim. Rabbits belong to a special group called lagomorphs, not rodents. They're closely related to hares and pikas, not mice or rats. Rabbits can run up to 55 kilometers per hour, 35 miles per hour, and jump over 1 meter, 3 feet high. They use quick hops and sharp turns to escape predators. Rabbits live on every continent except Antarctica. Zebras belong to the horse family, Equidae. They're close relatives of horses and donkeys. Zebras can run up to 65 kilometers per hour, 40 miles per hour, to escape predators. Zebras eat mostly grass, but also leaves, herbs, and bark when grass is scarce. They spend most of the day grazing, and their strong teeth are made for chewing tough plants. Share safe paths, and protect one another, while the powerful wild cats circle from a distance. This exciting sandbox survival adventure shows that even the smallest animals can overcome big dangers when they help each other and stay brave.